Hey everyone, here is my tip of the day today. You probably have heard of terms such as brain health or heart health. One term that we don't hear about often is liver health. Liver is a very important organ in your body that performs some vital functions. One of those functions is detoxification. It detoxifies all the unhealthy diet that we consume on a daily basis. Fatty liver is a very common condition. It is so common that nobody pays any attention to fatty liver, often diagnosed on an ultrasound. Fatty liver is a covering of your liver by fat which impairs the capacity of your liver to detoxify things. The only way or the most important way to get rid of fatty liver is to lose weight. Follow my protocols on intermittent fasting. The videos are available on my YouTube channel. Thank you.